Hello, dear students. The question is given that plus 8 coulomb and minus 8 coulomb are located at x equal to 0 and x equal to 8. Let us make a coordinate axis. Here it is. So x is equal to 0 and x equal to L. So here charge plus 8 coulomb and here charge minus 2 coulomb has been placed. Okay, understood? So here we can discuss. Here we have to discuss that where the charge should be placed. So common sense is telling if we are placing in between, then there they cannot be zero. How? Because plus 8 coulomb for this, the direction of electric field is here, and for minus 2 coulomb it is also here. So they can be added up only. And when we are talking about here, that is three possibilities: in between the charge, left of the bigger charge, and right of the smaller charge. Okay, the bigger charge and distance small, then they cannot be nullified by a small charge having larger distance because they are reciprocally related. Understood? Write 8q and test charge means q naught. So how it can be dealt? So it cannot be dealt in that way. So q naught is k8q and this x is small a, means smallest 2, and the bigger charge and smaller distance, that making the quantity a bigger quantity with respect to this k2q, and distance is bigger, let 4. So charge is small and distance is bigger, so it cannot be nullified. So there is only possibility that the when it is placed right side of the smaller charge. That means smaller charge with smaller distance can cancel the bigger charge with bigger distance. So let us move forward. So K8Q, and for the test charge it is K8Q by x plus a. We are making it a x plus a ka square, and minus or plus k2q by a square, and it is minus. Why? The direction is opposite, right? So let us make it opposite means negative. So negative is equal to 0. So now k8q by x plus a ka whole square, that becomes k2q by a square, and q cancelled out, 2 4 are 8. Okay, so k cancelled out, so 4 by x plus a ka square is equal to 1 by a square, and taking the square root on both the sides, so 2 upon x plus a equal to 1 by a, and on cross multiplication x plus a reduces to 2a, and by simplifying we are getting a is equal to x or L. Here it is L, distance is L na, so L. So make a slight correction, L is the distance, not x, it is the L. Okay, so a is equal to L, so move the previous page, so L, that means this small distance which we are considering is also L. So from 8q it is 2L distance. The net leg due to this 2 point is 0 is, okay, 2 point the location of the point on the x. So x axis ka location habo kona 2L. 2L hala arrow location. Understood? Hope you have understood, and continue learning and enjoying the great journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.